Alright, so I'm back home here in Sweden, and this weekend I will be camping here at this abandoned mine with some of my friends. And it's one of my friends that owns this place, so it's all good. And yeah, it's just such a cool place. And I will show you around, and we'll be fishing, we will be drumming. Here's my good mate Jorge. To go out fishing, but first we need to find some worms, so we will go out, do a bit of digging, and see if we can find some worms so we can catch some fish. Are you ready? Maybe this is to bring up the worms. I saw something about they did like drumming to bring up worms. Come on, drop worms.
Det finns fler. De kanske är väldigt ytliga nu när det är blött.
Ja, eller är det torrt där?
Som strawberry plants.
Oh, wow! Jesus! Kolla på den där, herre min skapare. Woo! That's a big worm. So gross. But this, we will get some big fish on. Yummy.
My name is Jorge. I'm a friend of Adam. It's my brother. And he doesn't know I'm recording this, but I'm gonna do it for you guys. This is a drum from Uruguay. It's called piano, from the music genre candombe, which is the heritage we from Uruguay have from the slaves that arrived to our coastlines 400 years ago, and with them they brought the rhythms. This is the bass. This is a stick. This is a stick from Croatia.
Right, so we're out here fishing now. We got one rod in, trying to catch some redfin fish, and Jorge is bringing us to the pike place, the big old pike.
The big old pike.
Well, I reckon he's in here, actually.
Right there.
So we got everything you need to catch the fish. We got the drum, we got music, we got a few cans of beer. So we will start a little show here, and we'll bring the fish to us, and then we catch them. Vad har vi? Är det en liten gädda, tro? Är det en bra abborre?
What can it be?
It could be a redfin or a little pike. It's a redfin. Oh, there's one with it. Woo! That's a nice one. Wow, beautiful. You see here the red fins, that's why it's called red fin. Oops.
Oops. Oh.
Unfortunately, this one got a hook real bad. Let's see. Okay.
Oh,
I think this one needs to come with us.
Barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue. So we thank you.
Thank you for your service.
That's how you break a neck on a fish. Yes. Grab here, pull it back. Your thumb here. Like this. Alright, so after catching some food, we're now gonna go up to the gate and fix it because it fell off somehow. Somehow.
Look at the surroundings. You need to look at the surroundings.
Here you have the monster, the robot. What's it called? Does it have a name? No.
Yeah, we're gonna take a look at this place. This is where all the crazy party happens. funny. And over here we have the disco.
Nice, did you get it? Nice,
Yes, we get it.
Up to the next mission here. We're going up to the gate. It needs to be fixed. Well, we have a problem. Somehow the gate fell off due to a storm, or maybe someone tried to break it. Like here, it looks like maybe a bear, a warhog, or some criminal.
We saw pigs today, right?
We did see some
wild boars.
Wild boars. This gate still works.
All right. So the solution was just attach the part that fell off to this one.
And then you just put it there, and it's all good. Now we can just send an invoice on 300 euro, and it's all good. So we fixed the gate, but it looks like we have another issue here. It looks like an engine failure. Or what do you say?
I think it's this Mojang.
Yeah.
Yes, because it doesn't go back.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, well, let's
Oh
check
yeah, that might be the issue, right?
Yes, this is it.
It's
a
bit old and rusty.
Yeah, old and rusty and very, very black.
How do you reckon we can fix this good old truck?
Just need some water for the cooler.
Good as new. Let's have a look inside.
Volvo, right?
Yeah, they last forever. At least that's what they say in the commercial. All right. Park. Okay. Park here. Yeah. Park next to me, I would say. Nice. Oh, it's like a little garden up here.
It comes with a garden.
Nice. What else did you find up here?
Look at this artifact.
Oh, nice. Cool. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, we can build something with this.
We're gonna give the robot some ice.
Alright, so we're here at the next stop.
Well, this is where they called from to check the water?
Yeah, they had some water issue. They said the roof was leaking in.
Oh, okay.
So we will
Do you know what they say about roof leaks? You start from the bottom.
Yeah, and that's exactly what we would do now. Start in the basement, right? Wow. Yeah, I can see there's a major water damage down here.
This was built, and it's a typical big building that's called the...
Yeah, okay. What year did you say it was built?
It was built in the...
Ah.
That's there, right there.
Oh yeah, that's 2175.
And I have a friend who lives here.
Sleeps over there, right? Does he pay any rent here?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's his name? The guy who plays drums.
The drummer.
Yes, the drum boy. He used to stay here.
Okay. As you can see, we're quite high up now.
You can see the rest of the roof is laying down there.
Yeah. Looks like there's some water damage done to it as well.
Water damage.
At least we're up here now.
Yes, so we're gonna write a report. I brought my portable.
Yeah.
So we're gonna write a report.
Can you send the invoice?
Yes.
That's 2,000 euros for 3 hours of work.
No problem.
Done. Nice.
Perfect.
Not surströmming, right?
No, it's not surströmming. We'll be...
Oh, it's
corn.
Corn. Wow.
This is clean. Self-reliance.
Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. It's not too bad actually.
No. If this was post-apocalyptic times, we
Yeah.
will be having a feast, right?
Oh yeah, we were so happy
We will
that
be.
we found
Here's
it.
another one. What's in this one?
Give it a try. So, last date is
No.
2025.
Yeah, 2020.
Or could that be from the future? It's done, May 2025.
Do you think it's the same? No, look. It's not
I think so. Do you think it's corn though? I don't. Let's find out.
Yeah. And let's take a break and talk about something else. Yeah, I think it's corn as well.
Yeah.
No,
it's
beans, man. We're gonna have a party tonight. That's it.
Some beans.
Beans.
Wow, not bad.
I think it's the.
That's why the power is out.
Yeah, I think this. You need to disconnect this one.
Yeah.
Just gonna put this one in because I checked it and it's okay.
Nice. There we go. See, and now we have some.
Quickie.
Yeah. I just give her a call and say that we're on our way.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. On our way. No worries. Yeah. Prickskyttetävling i skytte 1961. Wow. I love this. Very cool. Ja, här har vi till another rifle. Wow. Have you seen this? Have you thought about that before? Put use. Sorry. Ah.
Green.
Wow. This one is good. Oops.
Men det här Nerf. Ja, det här är Nerf gun. Nerf gunsen finns det också.
Vad fan hittar du för skjuts där? Det är ingen dålig bil alltså. Hey guys, we had such a beautiful night. It was truly amazing. We had some good friends over and we were sitting by the bonfire. Then all of a sudden the northern lights, the aurora, came out and it was insane. So nice. Yeah, it was the second time I saw it this summer. It's usually much higher up in the country where you can see it, but we were very lucky.